Hi, my name is Keona, and this is my Toy View channel. And I'm going to show you my toys right here. These are my other toys right here. Okay, this is the first part. This was, these all was in own packages and they were both together. This is a hamburger. It has salad, meat, and the bottom one. Coca-Cola. It's very yummy for people. Also, my dad loves it.
For me.
This is from friends, my most favorite.
Hello, me.
And also my brother. And I got this thing to place it on the tray so it doesn't get dirty on the tray. And I got this tray. I got this. It's a knife, so I can cut like this. But I'm supposed to put it on here. And knives. Got these knives. And I got the tray. I got a carrot. I got a pineapple. And I got a green pepper, I mean. And I got tomato. Oh, also I got green pepper inside. And I got a pineapple, I think. And I got a carrot. And also I'm supposed to cut it. So. Oh, and also I made this, and me and my mom, we made this, and we made pineapple cookie with this pineapple, tomato. Also, it made fast when I opened this. I wanted to cut it, but this one goes, and one piece went all the way far away from a table, and then my brother helped me got it. We were a little bit laughing. I got my watermelon that I love for a cool day. Also, when it was super hot, Miss Silva, my teacher in first grade, we ate watermelon. And this is what it looks like. There was no seed inside. And I got a strawberry. And this looks like a strawberry. And my brother is messing around. And sometimes my brother wants to come. Here, Jetson, come. This is my brother. His name is Jetson. And he's the same size as me. You want to see? We're the same size. Magic time. And thank you for watching my channel. Go to the watch my next episode and give me a thumbs up and come down below and give us and subscribe. Bye.
I want to click